Yeah, we're making tremendous progress on the bypass. We're staring at the northern end of Phase 5. Behind me is the bridge construction. If you can see it, there's some piles that they've installed, and we're starting to install foundations with the piers coming up. This is really the bridge growing out of the ground is the best way to describe it. The other thing that we're doing is tremendous progress on the roadway itself. So everything to the south of where we're standing is moving forward. You can see the alignment of the roadway. There's asphalt down in portions of it. The DOT has picked up their effort, so they're starting to go across the interstate. That's cleared out there now. PJ Adams is widening. It's making tremendous progress.